Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing. So for the first time ever, I'm actually going to do this unboxing for my display. It's right in the midst of being set up. I have some stuff out already, nothing is hooked up. I'm doing the wiring and everything. This is the execution chamber, and this video is dedicated to my good friend Nick. Nick died October 23rd, 2021, and I miss him dearly. He was a great Halloween enthusiast, and a lot of people that collect Halloween stuff may have bought or sold stuff to him or from him. He's greatly missed. He was the sweetest, nicest person you may ever have met. So he lives on in my cemetery every year. So let's get to it. I apologize for all the road noise. I am on a very busy street. And so this is a Distortions Laughing Hag. So the box came completely undamaged, and it sat safely in my basement. Check out the 30K haul video. You'll see all this stuff. So this is how it came taped. I believe that this one was actually purchased from Oriental Trading. They ran a coupon and a deal, and sometimes Morris and Oriental Trading, which I think now are affiliated, I could be wrong, they sometimes run specials that are better than Distortions, but they buy stuff in high volume, so they're able to do that. But there's also a lot of third-party sellers that may sell this. Right now, if you look online, most of the Distortion stuff is sold out for this year, and they're taking pre-orders for next year. So like all the Distortion stuff, you're gonna find the CD right here with the instructions and the audio for it. So here's the power pack, and here she is. So my idea this year is she's gonna go in this casket. So the casket, I'm gonna have to take some hot glue, because in storage all the creeping or craping, however they pronounce it, fell out. So I'm gonna hot glue it. Not on video, there's not enough time, but she's gonna be in this box, and she's gonna keep setting up, because this is gonna be Vlad's funerals and wedding chapel. I know, sounds crazy, but it is going to work, I know it. So here she is, and let me get her set up. But look at that detail before I do anything. Look at that. She is beautiful. And it's funny the way her arms are in the box, covering her face. Like, who put grandma in the box? Distortions did. Alright guys, so whenever you get a Distortions prop, some of the newer ones have a one piece where it's all connected already. This one has basically a printer cable, a printer electric to the box. It is not, you're not able to set the speed on it. And then you go in the back here, and here's all the mechanisms. It's a wiper motor that's covered properly. And then you have the wire, so you're going to connect this wire to the power pack. And then you're going to take your computer wire. Sorry guys, I'm not using the tripod today, so I just don't want the camera to fall. And there's another fan honking. We get about 30,000 cars a day that pass through here supposedly, so it is pretty freaking busy. I think that's a weekday. So now she's plugged in, and what do we got? We got nothing. There we go. So she's going a little bit faster than I would like right now, because she's going to be raising her head in and out of the casket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and change her to a speed control power pack so I can slow her down a little bit. And hopefully, sometimes with these mechanisms, they're meant to be sitting up completely. So I don't know if she actually is going to work in the casket. And one technical issue right now is the casket is on grass, and it rained the other night when I put it out. And so now the wheels that the casket holder is on have sunk into the grass. So I'm gonna get real messy getting underneath there to pull it out. I'm also I bought paint and stuff to repaint this, but the weather here has been horrible. And today it's like, it's gonna be like 85 degrees, and this is not the end of September weather. And tomorrow is October 1st, and I'm already supposed to be up and running, at least on the Chicago Haunt Builders list. So here is our Laughing Hag animated prop from Distortions, and she's just doing what she does. You could also put her in a wheelchair, and like I said, I'm putting her in the casket, and the arms are posable, so I'm gonna have them crossed. But I think this is gonna work lovely. Dreadfully lovely. She's gonna scare a lot of people, put it that way, because her creepiness is awesome. Okay, so I went out to my shed and I grabbed this regulated voltage adapter. You can change the speed, so you turn it on, and here you can go real fast, which is way too fast, or you can slow it down. So now I have it down to the slowest. And it's just a very gradual, which is what I want. I just want it to subtly and slowly pop out of the casket. The only issue I have, which is nobody's fault, except for my display and the casket, my casket opens on the left side, and she is looking to her right. So she's not going to be looking at the guests, which is what I kind of would wanted. But it is what it is, and that's nobody's fault. She is awesome, and if I had the ability, I would spin the casket so that it could be viewed differently. But yeah, so let's try and get her in here. All right, here she is. I have to attach this crepe to the top so that you don't really see that most caskets are lined with cardboard. I guess it's an industry trick, because all the ones I have cardboard up top. So we'll fix the fabric in the back, and we'll go from there. But this is how I made her turn out, and I think it's going to be really freaking creepy. So thanks for watching. Give us a big thumbs up, and perhaps subscribe to the channel, because the channel is totally supported by viewers like you. Thanks for watching. E.G. Scary out.